Today, we will be going through exposure response. Exposure response allows you to create initiatives which are tasks assigned to address vulnerabilities in your environment. To create an initiative, you would first create a combination which is a filter or query that targets specific findings and/or categories. For example, I've already built out a query for recently exploited vulnerabilities that are on the system known exploited list, which are two categories that I want to scope the vulnerabilities for. The different queries are used to build out combinations that are then added to an initiative targeting tagged assets. Here's a combination that is shared which targets all of Microsoft's September 2024 Patch Tuesdays. The query is filtering by plugin name using wildcards. To create an initiative, provide a title along with which assets you want to target the combination against. Here you are able to leverage the asset tags that have been created in Vulnerability Management. I'm targeting Windows Server and Windows Workstations. Assign the combination and provide a target date of when you would like to have all the findings from the combination remediated against the scoped assets. Click Save when you are finished. Here's an initiative where you are able to see which combination and asset tags were used to build it out. Toggling to by tag, the asset exposures can be prioritized by criticality. There are widgets that provide insight into remediation efforts as well as track progress over time. Lastly, a list of recently discovered or seen vulnerabilities and top assets, as well as all impacted findings and assets are identified at the bottom of the initiative. If you'd like to create a deliverable for the initiative, you are able to generate a report card which will provide a one-page assessment which includes all the components of the initiative ready for export as a PDF. If you'd like to learn more about exposure response, visit our vulnerability management page on tenable.com.